Hello, dis na Pidgin news for Procyon radio and television. My name na Michael Praise. For di news, we go hear say Chicago University don release President Tinubu academic record to Atiku. Nigerian Labour Congress don suspend strike for 30 days. Nigerian Football Federation don publish list of Nigerian players for di international friendly. Some suspected jihadists don kill about 29 Niger soldiers. Now make we hear the main news. Chicago State University don release to the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar the academic record of President Bola Tinubu with the order of the United States District Court for Northern District of Illinois. The Nigerian Labour Congress and the trade union don suspend the indefinite strike wey dem bin wan go. Dem announce am after one long meeting wey happen between dem and the federal government. Dem also say dem only suspend am for 30 days so dat dem go see if the federal government go do all the things wey dem promise. For sport, Nigerian Football Federation don publish the list of invited players wey the Super Eagles head coach Jose Peseiro submit for the country international friendly game wey go happen between dem and Saudi Arabia and Mozambique, and dem no include Ahmed Musa for di squad. Nigeria go take on di Green Falcons of Saudi Arabia for Portimao City, Portugal on Friday, October 13th, and after 3 days dem go clash with Mozambique for di same city. For international news, some suspected jihadists don kill 29 soldiers for western Niger. The Defense Ministry con declare 3 days national mourning. Dem target the soldiers with bomb. The attack happen for the country border with Mali during military operation when dem dey try to observe the threat wey the Islamic State pose for the area, according to the ministry. Before we come to the end of the news, make we hear some of the main points wey we bin talk about. Chicago University don release President Tinubu academic record to Atiku. Nigerian Labour Congress don suspend strike for 30 days. Nigerian Football Federation don publish list of Nigerian players for the international friendly. Some suspected jihadists don kill about 29 Niger soldiers. And with that, we don come to the end of the Pidgin news for Procyon radio and television. My name na Michael Praise, and we dey say make una dey shine like the star wey una be.